Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to run Claude Code Windows using PowerShell. First, go to the node.js official site, then download the LTS version and install it with default settings. After that, open PowerShell and type node-v and npm-v to make sure both are installed correctly. Next, in PowerShell, run npm install -g @anthropic-ai/claude-code, and this will install the Claude AI code CLI globally on your system. Now, set your API key by getting it from the Anthropic website. Then, run in PowerShell setx anthropic_API_key, then add a space and enter your API key here. And after that, restart PowerShell so the changes apply properly. After that, test the Claude Code installation by typing Claude, and if it is installed correctly, the Claude CLI will start. Then, run your first command by typing Claude explain this code function sum open bracket a comma b close bracket open curly bracket return a plus b close curly bracket, or you can type Claude analyze app.js to analyze the file. You can debug code, generate scripts, and refactor projects using it. Finally, use it like a code assistant by typing commands like build the REST API using Node.js or fix errors in the Python script. It works for JavaScript, Python, web development, and automation scripts. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.